Betrayal cuts deep, shadows fall. In the silence, we stand tall. From the pain, new strength will rise. In the darkness, we find our light. Da 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 da. In the echoes of the past, we learn and we grow. Through the tears and the heartache, new courage will show. Nature whispers softly, healing comes with time. In the dance of life, we climb and we shine. From the darkness we emerge, hearts renew. In the light of dawn, our strength is